Okay, here we have Windows 11, and sometimes we need to disable the updates. The Microsoft idea is always keep the Windows 11 up to date, but sometimes we need to do that one. The method like GPO and registry doesn't work anymore. Just what we need to do, just stop this service if it is just running. It is Windows Update Service responsible for downloading the updates and launching it install, and disable this service. But even if we do that, clicking apply OK, there is a tamper protection, even that if we disable it just after sometimes it will change back to the manual and system will be updated still. What we need to do, just create a simple script. Just first of all stop the service Windows Update 1. Okay, it is just no message, but it is not working, but we need to execute it just from CMD, not from the PowerShell. So it is not started, so we cannot stop it, and then config okay. It is just this one, and it is just disabled. Okay, and what we need to do, just create a script. Create a new file, and we need to simply first command we disable the service, and then stop. And finally, I don't want to report any error, so exit 0. Okay, that one is just enough. Okay, exit. I can always check. Three commands. Next step is just create a task scheduler and run this script every 1 minute. So let's create a basic task, name it as here, but run is as system, so it will be working always. When one-time job, but repeat every 1 minute. So let's start it in 5 minutes, so something like that. And repeat task every 5 minutes, but let's check it for 1 minute, and never end it. Stop if it is just working for more than 3 minutes. That's all, and it is just status enabled. What we need to execute, this one. and run it always. And left it default. Okay, now I hope everything is done and the system will be not updated, just Windows Update service will be stopped every 1 minute and disable it. So we see the error message in the Windows Update process. After it is done, I advise to enable all task history. So in here we should see the execution history. For now you can just check the history and you see just the execution every 1 minute. Task completed, every 1 minute task is executed, and even if you check here it is just every time disable, just every minute it's going to disable. So from now your system will not be up to date, what is not recommended, but sometimes it is just necessary for testing and so on. Thank you for watching. To make sure that our system will not longer update, there is a postscriptum. We need to some additional steps. First of all, let's move back to our script, and we need to do the same with 2 additional services. One of them is just Windows Update Medic service. Like this one, and second one is Update Orchestrator service, user like UFO. Okay, so we will be disabling this one safe. Once again, it's safe. We can just always do something like that. Seems good. Okay, so the first step is done. The next one is just GPEdit, and I showed it at the end. Windows Update and configure automatic updates. It is just disabled. Internet communication management. And here the most important is turn off access to all Windows Updates features. Okay, and the final step is just regedit. And in the local machine, system current control set, services, and search for the WAA SMedic SVC, this one. And put a value 4 in the start key. And that one, just after that, restart the computer and it should never update. Okay, by the way, let's check if our script is working, so this one is just disabled. So, thank you for watching this postscriptum to make sure that your Windows will never update again.